Hi everyone, Marabusha here. Illegal rubbish dumping in our city is getting ridiculous. In the past 12 months alone, more than 6,000 tonnes of rubbish was dumped in our city. This would fill 200 large rubbish trucks. Over the last year, more than $3.1 million has been spent by council on cleaning up illegally dumped rubbish. That's a huge cost to our hard-working community and money that should be spent on roads, community facilities and services. So let's work together to stop dumping now. Illegal dumping isn't just disgusting, it's unnecessary. Every household in the City of Melton which receives a curbside waste collection is eligible for hard waste pickups or visits to the Melton Recycling Facility. If you see dumped rubbish, contact us by phone or use the quick and easy form on our website. We'll get a crew out to clean it up as soon as we can. If you see someone doing the wrong thing or see rubbish that identifies the person or organisation who dumped it, report it using our online form or give us a call. Make sure you claim your hard rubbish pickups and recycling facility drop-offs, and don't forget you can drop off lots of items at the Melton Recycling Facility, including paint, batteries, engine oil, cardboard and lots more. And together, let's catch people who are using our city as a tip. Visit our website to find out how. Have a great day.